Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fill out a money order for child support. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, purchase a money order from a bank, post office, grocery store, or another authorized location. Make sure you know the exact payment amount before filling it out. Start by writing the name of the person or agency receiving the child support payment in the Pay to or Payee section. Make sure the name matches the official child support records or payment instructions exactly. Next, fill in your information in the Purchaser, Sender, or From section. This usually includes your full name and address. After that, look for the Memo or Account Number section on the money order. Here, write your child support case number, reference number, or any information required by the Child Support Office. This step is important because it helps ensure the payment is applied to the correct account. Then, sign the money order in the Purchaser Signature section. Do not sign anywhere marked for the recipient or authorized agent. Before sending the money order, tear off and keep the receipt portion for your records. The receipt contains tracking information that can help you confirm the payment if needed later. Once everything is completed, mail or deliver the money order to the Child Support Office or recipient address provided in your payment instructions. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.